go home. Please go home. Well, maybe I'm talking too fast, but I won't be the first or the last. In the sea of 1,000 you cast. Come on, please go home. I don't have to ask what you do. I just have to look to get you. Means nothing to me to get through. Please go home. I don't want to be on my own, 'cause I can't talk much better alone. But I don't have to ring like a phone. Won't you please go home? Please go home. It's some early part of your days. You were told of the devious ways that you thought you could get without pay. Won't you please go home? You reach a state of your mind where it's madness to look and to find your false affection so kind. Please